There are lots of things that make us who we are. Experiences, values, friends and family, jobs and hobbies all contribute to our personalities. And all these things influence the way we behave. We can group behavioral styles into 4 categories: analytical, supportive, expressive, and directive. When someone is behaving in the analytical style, they're cautious and precise. Getting things right is important to them, so they'll ask lots of questions and get their head into the detail. Sometimes this behavior can show up as being indecisive or cold and reserved. When someone is behaving in the supportive style, they're caring and encouraging of others. They're usually patient, good listeners, and they work towards a peaceful environment. They often have strong values and can become feisty and stubborn if their values are being compromised. Others sometimes see them as docile and conflict-averse due to their relaxed nature. When someone is behaving in the expressive style, they're usually sociable and enthusiastic. They like to get stuck in and try things for themselves, and will often use lots of hand gestures while talking. They're often good at persuading others, but can be seen as excitable, frantic, and hasty. When someone is behaving in the directive style, they're usually results-focused and determined to get there. They're competitive and demanding of others, being strong-willed to get what they want. Others can see them as aggressive, controlling, and blunt. It's really important to remember that everyone's behaviors are a mixture of all 4 of the styles, and we shouldn't label anyone with one style. The amount of each style that everyone uses is unique to them. Think about someone you know well. Which 1 or 2 behavioral styles do you think they show most often? Which of the 4 styles do you show most often? When we can recognize these styles in others, it helps us to adapt our behavior to get the best out of them. For example, if you notice that someone is behaving mostly with the supportive style, you might want to speak in a more caring and relaxed way than if you were speaking to someone who was using the directive behaviors. Being aware of your own main style means you can practice using the other styles in different situations. For example, if you have a short deadline for something, you might want to channel the directive behaviors to be results-focused and get it done quickly. If you are doing your tax return, you might want to channel your analytical behaviors to make sure you're paying attention to detail. In your next conversation, listen to the other person's language and watch their body language. See if you can tell which behavioral style they're mostly using, then try to adapt your style to connect on their level. Keep practicing using your different styles to become more adaptable and to improve your emotional intelligence.